Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to make this beautiful cart with using little bit HTML and CSS. So you need to first download this design from frontendmentor.io. You can download it from here, and then after you download it you will get images and some folders and stuffs, but I just keep these images on my folder of today's, and then let's start our project. So first of all we need to make a file of index HTML, and then we need to make also a style file, style.css, and then in the index file we need to create a boilerplate for quick process. So for title we'll given it a summary, and then we need to link also the style sheet. So here we go, link CSS. Yeah, the file name is style.css, so yeah, it's right. And then we need to add also font for this. We're going to add Roboto font, so just go to your browser and type Roboto font. It's provided by the Google. So I'm going to add it on my project. After that I'm already select every style of the font. Just you need to select like this way, and then it will going to add here, and after that you need to add install the link in here. Okay, just paste it, and then a little bit of space. Okay, that's great. And we need to add also the font of the font. We need to add the font family here. So I'm going to in the body tag and add the font. Okay. Stand it. Okay, that's fine. Let's start writing the structure of HTML. First of all, we need to create a box. Okay, that's why we need a div. So order main. Okay, and then order wrapper. And then we need the image. For that I'm going to write order highlight. Highlight image, and then we're going to add the main feature image / images, and then illustration, this is page. After that we need to add these things beneath of the image, so we're going to add this. So for that we need to create another div order, description, okay, then maybe H2 looks great, order summary, then going to P, paragraph tag. I'm going to add lorem some dummy text. Okay, just add it, and then we need to create this box for annual plan. So just create a new div, order annual main, then in the inner we need to create two divs for flags. First is annual left price, okay, and then annual right. Okay, seems great. Then we need to create in the annual left price in our init. We need to do it because of we need a little bit space, and it's like next to the music image, so we need to add flex here also. So let's make two div for this. First is annual play image, and then going to add the image slash icon music, cool. And then I'm going to add new the text and the price. So for that, annual price H4 plan, and then add to the maybe span should be great. Okay, 59.99 slash here. In the right side we need to add this change. So for that we need to just add a tag and then write it at change. Okay, seems looks great. Okay, then we need to make this button. For that, to create a hash, and the class is for this class button payment button. Proceed to payment. We need to create also another button for cancel order. So hash and then add the class. And so button. Okay. Sends cancel order. Okay, we have done our structure of the HTML, and now we're going to jump on our style sheet. Before that we need to look at that, the design, like the structure thing. Let's go and see how it's look like. It seems broke right now, but we need to cover that using the style. So yeah, let's create. So hash star for reset the CSS or 0 by adding 0. Style type none. Then we need to add a background full of the body. So for that we'll get this background. Okay, I'm copy with my little tool pixie. So yeah, background color, okay, and it, and then we need also the size, like the width of the box. Let's measure. Nope, not this way. Let's see. The width is 362 pixels. Okay. Let's pick this wrapper class and add the width first. Width 362 pixels. Then we need to pick upper of this class order main for flex. Sorry. Display flex. Justify content center. Align item center. Height 100 ph. Okay, and we need to add fix the image max width for all image. Let's see. Looks great. Okay, and then move on next. Then we are going to use this class already taken. So border radius, we're going to add border radius 15 pixel, overflow hidden, and also add background for this box. Background color white. Okay. Then we need to add padding on the inner this whole box. So yeah, let's do it. For that we need to pick this order description class there, and padding it's 20 pixel. Let's see. 20 pixel, it's not enough. 30 pixel maybe looks great. Yep. Okay, now what are you gonna do? We'll style this H2 and P, but before that we need to center to this element. So just let's do a text line center. Okay, now the color of the H2. Okay, I just copy the color using a pixie. Font size 28 pixel. Not font, it's font size. Font weight 700. Then to fix the P, paragraph, just copy the color, then font size 16 pixel, and then font weight 500. Again, let's see how it's look like. So we need a little bit of space beneath the H2. So margin 50 pixel maybe, just guessing. Yep, looks great. Let's do it this. For that we need to pick this whole main class, order and whole menu, main, sorry. We're going to add a little bit of space on the top area, because we need space. So margin top, it's 50 pixel again, and then we need background color. So I'm going to copy the background color using this pixie tool. Background color. Okay, then we need also border radius, as you see in the design. Yeah, border radius 10 pixel. Then we need to add the flex property. So I have already so just copy it, paste it here, center, align item center, almost same. So yeah, that's why I just copied, and after that, let's see how it's look like. Okay, we need to add a little bit of padding. Pixel, and also justify content not center, we need to between, because there have a little bit of space between change and this annual thing. So just change the property name, space between, and now let's see how it's look like. Okay, it's good. Right now we need to fix these two things, this image, little icon of music, and the annual plan. So for that we have also we have our class div. Here is it, the div. So just put the div here, and then we're going to add the same code, and then justify content not in between, it's going to center. This one, it's not going to anywhere, it's, yep, we need a little bit space between the these things. So for that we have our annual play, annual price, deep, sorry, margin left, 20 pixel. Okay, now fix this design also, like the style thing. So for that, oops, okay, now fine. H4 and span. H4 font size, it's 16 pixel, font width 600, color zoom this thing. Okay, just copy the color, paste it here. That's great. Now we need also fix the span design. So just change H4 and give it span. Copy the color of the text, paste it here. Size 16 pixel. Then we have our change button. So for that we have annual right div. We're going to select this and add it and add the a tag, and then font size 16 pixel. Zoom this thing, take the color, okay, paste it here, and then font width 600. Okay, now reload. Okay, looks great. Looks similar and great, no issue. We need to add a little bit of space between these things. Okay, for that just add margin bottom maybe 10 pixel. Let's see. Pixel, it's too much. I need to reduce a little bit. 7 pixel maybe good. Yep, looks great. We can add a little bit hover thing in this change button. So for that, just pick this class and add hover. Change the color. This color we have already. Maybe transition. So 3 seconds. Okay, looks great now. It's changed a little color. So yeah, we are almost done. We need to fix to this button, last button. So for that, this we need to pick this class and add it here. Background. First of all, we need to add the background color. Copy, paste the background color. Okay, now text align, center, color, white, padding 10 pixel, 2 pixel. Okay, we need to cover with whole of these things and all of the deep, and in the cancel thing going to below of the payment button. So for that we need to add a little class. The name is the class name is display block. Okay. Looks great. Need to add 2 pixel. Okay, 50 pixel looks similar for upper padding and width below the padding. Yeah, looks similar. We need to add radius and other things also. Let's do it. Text decoration for underline now. Okay, and then border radius 10 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel, box shadow I'm going to copy the shadow color. Just okay. I hope it will work. Okay, we need to also reduce the text and also add a little bit of space upper side. So for that, font size 14 pixel, margin top pixel. Let's see. Absolutely, but radius is going to be decrement a little bit. Radius 8 pixel, and the padding also like 30 pixel. Let's see. Yeah, looks nice. Okay, margin top maybe 25. Looks great now. Let's add hover. Before that, we need to transition. 3 seconds, and after that we need to add a little bit hover. Let me just change the color, background color. This color, okay? Let's see. Looks great. I love it. Let's change the cancel order. Copy the class name, next line, center, display, block, text decoration, none. Color, let's pick the color. Color, this, and then font size 14 pixel, transition, sorry, not transform, transition 0.3 second. Wrong. No point. Inside hover. Okay, for color we'll give 000 000. It's black. So yeah. Okay. Seems great. But we need to add here, everything looks great, but we need to add here font width, so it looks great then. Okay, we need to have font width also here. Also 600, maybe it should be also 600. Okay, now let's see. Yep, much better. Okay, everything looks great. I think we need to add a little bit of box shadow. 2 pixels. And 8 pixel. Maybe looks great. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, that's all. We just made our summary component, and it looks really amazing. You can add it on your project, and I will add this source code on my GitHub so you can later practice. And also I will add the challenge link. Don't worry about it. So that's all for today. Do subscribe if you haven't yet. Until now, goodbye.